Hello folks, today we're out here on 7 acres again, and we're going to talk a little bit about the drywalling. This drywall company, Third Gen Drywall out of Herman, Missouri, fabulous company, and the reason I wanted to share with you that is because look at their work. I mean, very little sanding, very little, because they've done such a great job the first time. Literally, you know, you can see got a little bit more. Look at, well, you can't really see it here, but literally, I mean, they're still not even done. No humps or anything. I mean, they know how to do it. But what I really am highly impressed is a lot of times on our flooring, we always put down like plastic, or like, oh, not plastic because people will slip on that, but like tar paper, you know, felt paper, cardboard, something like this, so we don't, it makes it easier to clean. And if you don't do that, then what I recommend is you just leave the floors dirty. But this company didn't do that. And the reason they didn't have to do that is because they did such a great job that there's very, very, very little that ever hit the ground. And they got some really, as you can see, some really difficult angles here to get. So that's the way it's supposed to be done. And if your drywall company says, well, no, that's not how it's done, you tell them Third Gen out of Herman, Missouri knows how to do it, and they need to call them folks for a lesson. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching our videos. Hit like, subscribe, and if you're out here in Jefferson County or Jefferson City area in the Midwest of Missouri, Herman, Missouri, anywhere through here, call Third Gen. Great company. And they didn't even pay me to do this, so you know that as I'm speaking of the heart. Thanks, folks. Have a great day.